everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I have the big black box here, and many of you have said, Danny, we love that you get to your videos immediately, your unboxing videos. But a few of you have said, take it slow, take it easy, let's see the bag, let's see the process. So this is my middle ground. This is as slow of a bag opening as I can get, which is that it's still wrapped, see? Because I can never rewrap it like they have. And you don't even want to see what my Christmas gifts look like. So we'll take a look at this one together, and I will show you what I picked up. And I am not 100% sure I'm going to keep this one in my collection, so I would love to know what you all think, and yeah, we'll see what you think. What I love is the color, and I have it in white, and so the style really is very useful, and it's very easy to work with, but I will show you all. It is a light beige with gold hardware, and it's the large flap bag. And it's, again, gold hardware. So this is from 23P. The color is Ecru. And yeah, so I will show you what it looks like. I'm not going to unwrap this top because I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but it is a shoulder bag. It is not a crossbody. This one does not fit crossbody. So here's what I love about it. I love the style. Here's what I don't love. I wish it was a little bit more beigey. I wish it had a little bit more brown in it, or a little bit more beige and a little bit less off-white. But I'll show you really briefly what the inside of the bag looks like without taking it apart, in case it does not stay in my collection. And you can see here what it looks like from the inside. So basically it has a single flap, a zipper compartment, and then a really open section. And like I said, normally I would show you by trying it on, but I don't want to do that if I'm not going to keep it. So the back does have a pocket that does fit a phone. I know that because I have it in white, and I do love my white bag. I love the style of this one. I actually found it on someone, saw it on someone when I was on a trip, immediately texted my fashion advisor and sent her a photo and said, can you get this bag? And that was in white. And then of course she told me that they had this one in Ecru. In the store, it looks a little bit more brown than it does here. This lighting is much more accurate than in the boutique. So I'm hesitant because of that, and obviously because of the price. We want to be 100% sure. One of the reasons I do these videos is so you can all be a little bit more confident when you purchase, particularly if you're buying from out of state and having things sent to you, so you know a little bit more what they look like. There's also been this controversy over the leather quality. I can tell you that some of them feel great, right? The classic flap still feels really good. This one does not feel so great. If I had to guess, this is the same leather content as the current 19, the seasonal 19s, which for me does not feel like it's 100% leather. That's just my uneducated opinion, but this one feels kind of like that, which is a little bit disappointing. So here is, again, the back of the bag. The front, in terms of how it compares to size, it's very similar to a 19 size small. And so that's what I would compare it to. So I hope you found this useful. If you are looking for this color, I do know there are quite a few of them out there, and you can still pick it up in Ecru. There were other colors as well this season, pink and others. So the bag itself, great style. I'm just a little unsure about the color. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll let you know if I end up keeping him in the collection or if he goes back to the boutique. Have a wonderful day or night, and thank you as always for your support.